wonderful people of the Froothie world. Well, a lot of you have recently been asking why the new H3000 juices that have just been sent out, so a lot of you have received them, why they do not have pulp control anymore. So a couple of you have sent us some messages about this, and I thought I would just cover it in a video today so that you're kept in the loop about why our juicer has changed. Here we have the juicer. This is the old version. As you can see, it's got pulp control, which allows you to choose how much pulp you want in your juice or how much you don't want in your juice, basically. Now, the only difference that we have now made is that we've changed this bit. So yes, you've got exactly the same juicer, just with a different pulp attachment. Let me show you what happens. So basically the reason why we did this was because a lot of customers basically, well, they don't really use the pulp control. So a lot of them were saying that it was kind of unnecessary, and instead of having this, which has quite a tiny hole at the bottom, I don't know if you can see, they opted for one that does not have pulp control but has a much bigger hole. That's what she said. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, this one will allow pulp to come out a lot faster. So yeah, that's basically the only reason we changed it, because customers preferred this over that. So fret not, you've got the same juicer, there's nothing wrong with it. In fact, you've probably got a better version. So that's all I have for you today. Until next time, ciao.